Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You cannot retrofit a true Touch ID fingerprint sensor into an iPhone XR because Apple omitted the home button and secure enclave hardware. Once done, update iOS and back up your phone so settings are safe. Make sure Face ID is configured. It's the native biometric alternative. Also set a strong 6-digit passcode and pair an Apple Watch. You can use it to unlock when Face ID fails. These steps prepare you for secure, biometric-like convenience without adding unsupported hardware. Next, focus on reliability. Calibrate Face ID by adding an alternate appearance if you change eyewear or style. Turn off attention requirement only if needed for convenience. Then enable Apple Watch Unlock so your watch can authenticate when Face ID struggles. Make sure wrist detection is on. For websites and high-security apps, use FIDO2 security keys or a password manager app that supports biometrics. These add fingerprint-like convenience through approved standards. This is how you reproduce Touch ID convenience. Finish by testing every use case. Unlock with Face ID, unlock with Apple Watch, and sign into apps using your security key or password manager. If Face ID repeatedly fails, reset Face ID and re-enroll your face in good light. That usually fixes recognition errors. Make sure iOS stays current and backups remain intact. Remember, you cannot install True Touch ID on XR. These steps recreate its benefits safely. If you suspect hardware faults, contact Apple support or an authorized service provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.